Are you ready to discover how to achieve positive outcomes in difficult situations? This video will guide you through practical strategies to transform challenging conversations into opportunities for growth and understanding. Achieving positive outcomes in tough situations is crucial. It builds trust, reduces stress, and strengthens your relationships, both personally and professionally. Understanding the importance of positive outcomes can transform your interactions. It encourages a supportive environment. This leads to better personal and professional growth. Recognizing these moments helps you prepare and respond effectively. Difficult situations often involve disagreements, emotional conversations, or high-stakes discussions. Being aware of what constitutes a difficult situation is the first step. It allows you to strategize better. This awareness is crucial for successful outcomes. Approaching challenges with a calm, open mind and a focus on solutions sets the stage for positive outcomes. Believe that a win-win result is possible. A positive mindset is key to navigating tough situations. It helps in maintaining composure. This mindset fosters constructive dialogue. Preparation is key. Clarify what you want to achieve, anticipate the other person's concerns, and plan your main points ahead of time. Being prepared allows for a smoother conversation. It helps in addressing issues effectively. Preparation is the foundation of successful interactions. Active listening is vital. Give your full attention, avoid interrupting, and show empathy to truly understand the other person's perspective. Listening actively fosters mutual respect. It helps in resolving conflicts. This practice is essential for effective communication. Use positive, constructive language. Focus on solutions and what can be done, rather than blaming or accusing. Positive language sets a constructive tone. It encourages cooperation. This approach can transform the outcome of a conversation. Communicate your thoughts with clarity. Use I statements, be honest, and respectfully express your needs and feelings. Clear expression prevents misunderstandings. It promotes transparency. This clarity is essential for effective dialogue. Emotions. Managing your emotions is essential. Managing emotions is key to maintaining focus and achieving better outcomes in challenging situations. Stay calm, breathe deeply, and if emotions run high, pause the conversation to regain composure. Emotional control is crucial in tough situations. It helps in maintaining focus. This control leads to better outcomes. Look for common ground. Identify shared goals and acknowledge points of agreement to build a foundation for a positive outcome. Finding commonality fosters collaboration. It strengthens relationships. This approach is key to resolving conflicts. Work together to find solutions. Brainstorm ideas, stay flexible, and aim for outcomes that benefit everyone involved. Collaboration encourages creativity. It leads to innovative solutions. This teamwork is vital for achieving positive results. If you face resistance, remain patient. Ask open-ended questions and address concerns calmly to keep the conversation productive. Constructive handling of resistance maintains dialogue. It prevents escalation. This approach ensures progress. Summarize the discussion, clarify what's been agreed upon, and make sure everyone understands the next steps. Recapping ensures clarity. It aligns all parties. This confirmation is crucial for moving forward. After the conversation, follow up to check progress, offer support, and keep communication open to reinforce positive outcomes. Follow-ups show commitment. They maintain momentum. This continuity is key to lasting success. Avoid common mistakes like reacting emotionally, ignoring the other person's perspective, or focusing only on your own needs. Awareness of these pitfalls prevents setbacks. It enhances effectiveness. This vigilance is essential for success. For example, two colleagues in conflict listened to each other, found shared goals, and agreed on a solution that worked for both. Real-life examples illustrate principles. They demonstrate application. This example shows the power of cooperation. Try this. Imagine a workplace disagreement. Apply the steps from this lecture and reflect on how the outcome could improve. Practicing scenarios builds confidence. It enhances skills. This exercise is valuable for real situations. Key takeaways reinforce learning. They highlight essential points. This summary aids retention. Identify a challenging conversation you expect soon. Plan your approach using these techniques and practice to build your confidence. Action plans drive implementation. They ensure readiness. This planning is crucial for success. Achieving success. You now have the tools to achieve positive outcomes in difficult situations. Remember, every conversation is an opportunity to grow and connect.